Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new 6x6 lace closure wig for you guys from Tinashe hair, and this wig might be one of my favorites. So if you're interested in how I got this look, keep on watching. All right, friends, so let's get into the basics of this wig from Tinashe hair. So it is a closure wig. So you've got two combs on the sides and then one comb with an adjustable strap at the back. And this in the middle is going to be your 6x6 lace closure where you're able to do your parting. So that is all the parting space you will have right at the top of this wig. And this is a 24-inch body wave with 200% density. So here I'm just going to cut the lace off just using a regular eyebrow razor. And I've done this part 50,000 times, you guys, but this part right here doesn't really take me long. It probably takes me an average about maybe 10 to 15 minutes if I'm just taking my time and doing it right to lay my wig. And then next you're just going to need some freeze spray, a blow dryer, and a rat tail comb. And here I'm gonna do what I always do. I do 2 layers of freeze spray. I blow dry in between each layer and wipe off any excess with a baby wipe, like any excess hairspray like I'm doing right here. And then I go ahead and apply the wig to my head and blow dry it all down, kind of doing a little bit of combing the hair back, getting the hairs out of my face so they're not sticking, and also using the end of my rat tail comb to dip the end of it into some hairspray so that I could kind of spot the parts that need more melting, and that's what I'm doing here. And then I take a few minutes to make sure it's all secure just by blow drying it down. So this is how your parting space looks. You are able to do a really nice side part with this wig, middle part as well. I'm not the biggest fan of side parts just because of tucking it behind my ear kind of creates a challenge, and I hate my natural hair poking out with like silky hair. It just doesn't look right to me. So I'm just gonna stick with a middle part. So I am just using my tweezers just to widen the part a bit, and then I'm gonna go straight into adding some baby hair to this. So I just want to point out, I didn't really pluck this front of this closure. I actually started to, but the reason I didn't show it is because I really didn't pluck enough. So I didn't really count it as plucking anything, but you do have the option of plucking your closure, which I would say go ahead and do. But if you don't want to, you really don't have to, because it's not super thick. However, I do think plucking the front a little bit will give this a more natural look, just to put it out there. And just to touch on the lace really quickly, I just want to say this lace was amazing. It was thin, it was transparent. I want to say it was transparent. If it wasn't, I'd be super surprised, but of course I'll put all the details down below because I can't remember at this particular point. But it was just, it melted into the skin so effortlessly, which is something you are definitely looking for at all times. So after applying my setting lotion, I'm just using my same rat tail comb to comb it all through and prepare to lay it down. And this is how I'm looking. Not bad, not bad. And then I'm just gonna take my wrap strip and lay my edges and go do my makeup. So this is how we're looking. So after about, I don't know, however long it took me to do my makeup, this is the outcome, and this is the hair. I have to show you guys this hair. This is one of the main reasons why this wig is definitely one of my favorites. The hair is so soft and silky, and I can run my fingers easily through it. And body wave is, of course, one of my most favorite textures in the whole wide world. And I think the execution of this wig, from the lace to the parting space to just the overall, just everything about this wig, to the hair, was just perfect. Tinashe hair did a great job on this wig, and I cannot say that enough. So yeah, I'm just taking my wax stick here and just going over the top of my head to lay this hair down, and then going back over it again with my hot comb because it is 200% density. So keep that in mind. You are able to go down in density if this is too much hair for you, but it was not for me. You guys know I love big hair, period. But yeah, so keep that in mind. You are able to just kind of customize the wig however you want to, as well as the length. And then now I'm going to add in some wand curls, and I'm just going to do something a little bit differently. Really not that different, but it was a little different for me, just adding in the wand curls and waiting to the end to go ahead and comb them through, because I was going to a bridal shower this evening, so I really wanted the curls to kind of remain intact and to not fall. So yeah, I'm just spraying it with some Tresemme hairspray, which I really like this hairspray. It gives a really great hold, and then I'm going to do the other side of my head. So this hair took heat very well. As you can see, the curls came out absolutely beautiful. And now I'm just going to cut just a few kind of pieces right around my face, just to give it a little bit more of, you know, like a shape or so. But I didn't really do too much because it did not need it. So I'm just gonna finish up with just adding some powder to my part to define it a little bit more, and doing a little bit of bronzer as well to make it all seamless and blend. And then that's really it, you guys. So I will put all the information about this wig down below. I think it deserves like an A+. I think it's beautiful. I absolutely loved it and got so many compliments from wearing it. Also, check out my Amazon store. I will put all the links to like my favorite products that I use for, you know, my videos, my hair, as far as the hot comb, blow dryers, and all that good stuff. It will be down below in my Amazon store. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.